We're off to our new location, guys. Just about 10 minutes away.
See you later, Tyson Wash. You've been good to us.
We are leaving Tyson Wash and going across the street to La Posa South Long-Term Visitor Center. We already have our pass, so we're gonna go straight through and we're gonna go dump the stank-a-dank tank.
Stank-a tank.
And then we're gonna get some water. Look at that sunrise, guys. Woo! Isn't that beautiful?
First mate, bring me that horizon.
Ooh, there's no line.
Love it.
So here is the dump station where you can dump your tanks, and then over there is where you can fill up your water for free when you pay for the LTVA.
Okay, you gotta get out and line me up.
Well, all right.
Do your job.
Look how gorgeous. Sun's about to peek over. So now we're filling our water. Look, you guys, it's coming out. The sunrise is finally coming out. Getting water, he's unhooking his bike because we have to hurry up because he's got to go to work.
Yeah. I'm trying to get this all done before I go.
While we are set up at our new location. Check it out. I got me a little. The sun is coming up finally. These are all the YouTubers right here. We got Traveling Robert here. But it's amazing. A lot of things are going to be going on. We're going to be taking you with us. It's going to be exciting. So let's go. Okay, today, guys, we are having a potluck. And I, for the first time, am going to cook in a Dutch oven. So you're probably wondering, what am I going to make? I am making apple cinnamon bread. Let's give it a try. Hopefully it comes out good. Never know.
Here we are at the Q23 Rally and we're having a great time and we have a potluck. It's a beautiful weather and we just love Quartzsite.
Let's bow our heads and let's pray. Heavenly Father, Lord, thank you. Let's sing.
Hey, Mark, I just want to say thank you for hosting this thing. It's been a blast.
You know, it's to see folks like you and having a good time out here in the desert and just enjoying each other's company and learning from one another.
Oh,
That's what it's all about.
Absolutely.
I am just so tickled with how many people we've got this year. It's a phenomenal turnout. everybody seems to be having a good time. Everybody's getting along, and
Yeah, no, everybody's great.
and look at that sunset. Did you see that sunset?
It's been beautiful and different every day.
Yeah. That's the
Yeah.
beauty of being out here in the desert.
Absolutely.
Adventure live from Quartzsite, Arizona. I have been having so much fun with these two.
Well, I'm Ruben,
And I'm Lori.
and we are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
Send them all over.
Hey, you're a great crowd. Thank you for showing up. Please tip your waitress.
Well, the rally is over and we're moving spots. It was amazing meeting everybody at the rally. It was so awesome.
It was a blast seeing everybody and just connecting, really connecting and seeing, you know, the different personalities out there. I want to do it again.
Maybe next year.
Maybe.
So next year, we'll be hosting Q24 out here in Quartzsite, Arizona, along with a bunch of other YouTube channels who will be co-hosting it with us. It'll be the third week in January, coinciding with the Big Tent Week in Quartzsite, the RV show. So we hope you'll come out and join us.
You heard it straight from the legend.
Where's the legend?
Until next time, let's go!